The reason I'm stopping you, you keep leaving your lane a bunch. You're all over the road. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, were you on your phone? Or?
No, I'm really into my music right now.
Oh yeah? What song's playing?
I think it's Young Thug.
Okay. Well, that's your GPS. I don't know what's going on.
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
I have not drank.
Nothing? What about smoke? Because it reeks of weed. Did you smoke earlier?
I'm going to be honest with you, I have.
Okay. Did you use any other drugs tonight?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Do you have your registration with you?
I do.
39K, 1038. Where are you coming from? From where?
I came from work.
I don't know what that is. What is that?
It's kind of what it sounds like. It's a arcade that you pay like entrance fee, and then after that you get to go in and you kind of do whatever you want inside of there. There's 300 arcade games inside, and
Okay.
you can pick whichever one you want to choose and free play it. If it's in Japanese, you can actually go ahead and scan a barcode. And I'm sorry, I'm really nervous right now.
It's okay. Just take a deep breath.
Really pulled over before.
Just take a big deep breath. There's nothing to be nervous about. The insurance. Okay, I'll get that from you in a minute.
I really don't know where it is, so I'm so sorry. I have my books. I recently got this car. Well, I didn't. My father blessed me with it.
What's the eye stuff supposed to be? What is that?
I found a TikTok makeup trend, and it's supposed to be your eyeballs like being pulled back.
Ah, okay. Once
Yes.
you say that, I can see that. I was trying
like
to figure out what it was.
scary
I mean, once you
movie
tell me that, I can see that. I can see what you're doing with that. I see it. Yeah.
I was really nervous going into even the party right now because it was my first time.
Doing it yourself. Yeah. So you did that yourself.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Let me get your paperwork.
Is this one the one that you need, sir?
Yeah. Well, it's one of them. I think this is your insurance, but I need your registration. But we'll get that in a minute. So where are you heading now?
I'm heading home right now.
So keep looking for it. I'll be right back with you. Okay? So just stay right here. I'm gonna go check your license. Okay? All right. I'll be right with you.
Morning heels.
You
I just
took
took
those off.
one of them off
You took those
already.
off. Yeah. All right, let's just get up on the sidewalk so we can get out of the road. A car almost just hit me, so.
I know. I saw that car fly by.
Yeah. All right. So you're coming from, you said work, right?
So I dropped off my coworker that I live with, my best friend as well, and then I drive over here.
Okay. So you dropped them off. At what time did you start smoking marijuana tonight?
Probably when I got to the function, so...
So you smoked them? You didn't have anything to drink earlier?
Because
it smells like it. That's why I'm asking. It smells a little bit like alcohol. Did you have some earlier? You're over 21. I mean, that's not... Yeah.
I had like one of the little margarita mixes that they had there, but I don't know how much alcohol was in that.
Okay. Did you have anything else?
Like I said, it was the marijuana.
Okay. So you smoked any other drugs?
No, sir.
No ecstasy, no Molly, nothing like that. I'm just asking.
It's a Tuesday.
hey, some people's Tuesdays are some people's Saturdays.
That's, I guess.
Yeah. So, all right. Wow. Okay. So, the way you're driving, and some of the signs I see when I'm talking to you, make me concerned that you may be impaired. So I'd like to make sure that you're not. I want to make sure that you're safe to drive with. So I'd like to do field sobriety exercise with you. Okay, is that okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Before we start, do you wear contacts? Do you wear glasses?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you take any prescription medication?
No, sir.
Do you have any medical problems?
No, sir.
Do you have any injuries, anything wrong with like your knees, your ankles, your hips, feet, back? No glasses, contacts you wear? Okay.
I just have like an anxiety, like I was diagnosed with.
Okay. Do you take anything for that?
No, sir.
Do you prescribe anything for that?
No, sir.
Do you have a medical marijuana card or no?
I don't.
No? Okay.
I don't.
Okay.
I want to be honest with you.
No, I understand. Yeah. Okay. So the first thing we'd like to do is take a look at your eyes. Okay. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm actually going to have you face me here. So go ahead and put your feet all the way together. Relax your arms to your side. Could you get the hair out of your face a little bit for me? I appreciate that. Thank you. All right. So you just turn your All right. So what I want you to do is you just stand just like this. Okay. What else? You just need to stay just like that. You're going to keep your head still. You're going to follow my finger with your eyes open.
Yes,
You're not moving your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have any questions? All right. So my finger okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good stuff. All right. I'm going to go grab some tape real quick so we can walk the line. Just relax, okay? Just take a deep breath. You're fine. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Oh, yeah. I got to grab my notepad anyway. Yeah, I was like that close to getting... Yeah, it was bad. I know, Ross was parked over here. I was like, Ross, you gotta go stop that car. Like, yeah, she saw it happen too. Alright. Let's go up here. I don't like the way the sidewalk is here. Go ahead and hold on to that for me. Can you put your hand on the ground?
90 days old. Yes, sir.
Okay, alright. So what I'd like you to do is go ahead and put your left foot on the line. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe just like this. Relax your arms to your side. Don't step out of that position, and don't start until I tell you to. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Alright, when I ask you to, I'd like you to take 9 heel to toe steps down the line. Okay? On your 9th heel to toe step, you're going to keep your front foot on the line. You're going to turn around by taking a series of small steps and take 9 more heel to toe steps back down. So it's going to look just like this. Pretend I've already taken 6 of the 9 steps for demonstration purposes. Okay? Step number 7, 8, 9 on your 9th step. Turn around just like this, taking a series of small steps and taking 9 more back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on all the way to 9. All right? You understand so far? All right. Once you start, I don't want you to stop until you've completed the exercise. Look at your feet while you walk. Keep your arms at your side and count your steps out loud. Do you have any questions?
Okay. So this is my start with.
Your first step will be 1. Do you have any questions? Don't.
Sorry.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm
All
sorry.
right. You're okay. If you have no questions, you may begin whenever you'd like. You may begin. Yes. Thank you.
2, like that, sir. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and may I turn around, sir?
Yep.
Okay.
Just doesn't.
Like this, sir? 1,
Okay. All right, so the next thing I'd like you to do, forget about the line. Go ahead and put your feet all the way together. Relax your arms to your side. When I ask you to, I'd like you to raise whatever foot you'd like approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's about the height of like this regular soda can.
Yes, sir.
All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep both legs completely straight. Whatever leg you'd like, you're going to keep your arms at your side, looking at your foot.
Okay.
Your foot parallel
like
to the ground. Yep. So just put, well, let me finish doing it.
Okay.
Okay. You're going to look at your foot and you're going to count loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you accidentally put your foot down before I tell you to stop, raise it right back up.
Raise it right back up.
Yep. And start and continue counting where you left off. So the reason continue to go till I tell you to stop is because it's 30 seconds. So I'm going to use it times the stopwatch. So you may count a little bit faster, a little bit slower. So that's why I just continue to go till I tell you to stop.
Yes, sir.
So again, just like I explained, both legs completely straight, foot parallel to the ground, arms at your side. Okay. Do you have any questions with that?
No, sir. I understand.
What foot would you like to raise?
My left foot, sir.
Your left?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir. I understand.
Okay. You may begin whenever you'd like.
Okay. And 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006.
Look at your foot.
1007, 1008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026.
All right, you may stop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. On a scale from 0 to 10, 0 meaning that you're completely sober, and 10 meaning that you're the drunkest, highest you've ever been in your life, you're falling over, where would you put yourself?
I would say like a 3 or a 4, sir.
Okay. You feel a little buzzed? Do you feel...
I'm going to be honest, I do feel a little buzzed because I smoked before going to this gathering. I'm going to be honest with you. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why would you drive then?
I'm going to be honest, I'm having a rough patch with my boyfriend at the time, and I went to this function, and he gets really upset with me when I don't go to his house afterwards.
Okay. All right. You are going to be placed on arrest for driving under the influence. All right. It's not personal, so what's going to happen from here is you're going to be taken down to the DUI center.
I don't live with my parents or anything, so I don't know who I can call.
Okay. So we're going to take you down there. You can think about it. And what? We're going to provide you an opportunity to provide a breath sample.
But I...
Okay. And we'll, if you have any questions, talk to us, okay?
I just... Okay.
Sierra 30 Maryland 1015. 80, are you available for a search? Thank you.
Just in the back, just get you.
What the heck? Dude, look at this. God, it reeks. Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause my car reeks.
This was sitting right at her feet.
Good for her. I mean, in her defense, she works at a bar and she's 22. It is a switchblade, but...
How do you close it?
Oh, watch out, because it's, obviously, I think it's...
I don't know, it's laying right there.
Oh, no, definitely.
I mean, holy crap, dude.
That's definitely a switchblade.
Yeah. And it's huge.
I think you push that button and it folds back in.
I don't know, I can't get it to you. If you want to mess with it, you can.
Man, it's that myself.
You go ask her. Violator right here. 10, 15, 16, $17. What?
It kind of smells like weed.
Yeah, it reeks.
I'm gonna get that. Leave that up before right there.
I'll pop the trunk. I wouldn't. I mean, you can take flip flops. The heck are these? Fiber. A Roomba. Robot.
Cleaning supplies. Clothing. That's for the car.
I just got the grinder. That's all I see. Alright. No, I don't think so.
Yes.
You're okay.
I'm following you, sir. Sorry.
Just walk along with me.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Alright. I go through this door right there.
Yes, sir.
So, Miss Jennifer, when they open the door, there's a black mat. Just walk to the end of it. They'll tell you where to sit, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right there, here's the black mat. Thank you.